so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo! Look at this! This is a fire department helicopter toy. Ooh, and today we're at the Los Angeles City Fire Department Air Operations. And let me tell you, I have a surprise for you! This is a real fire department helicopter! I am so excited to learn about fire department helicopters today with you! Are you ready? Let's go! Woo! Okay, now let's check out the inside of the fire department helicopter. Come on! We have to open up the door. Whoa, do you see in here? This, is the cab of the helicopter. Come in here. Whoa, there's so many cool things in here. First, let me show you the cockpit. Whoa, look up there. There's so many cool instruments, gadgets, radios. Whoa! Okay, for now, I'll show you the cab. Ooh, there's a lot of seats in here. See? I'm gonna go to this one. Whoa, hey! This seat has a seat belt. I'm gonna put it on. All right, buckle up. Ooh, you see? I'm in this seat, and there's another seat. There's another seat. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's actually another seat in the back. Yeah, 5. You're sitting on it. That's funny. Whoa, look at this. Look at this giant backpack. There's a bunch of medical supplies in here. Whoa. This is what they take down to the ground to help people. Whoa, look at this light. Whoa! It's the color blue and it's shining on my face. So these lights are really dim. So then from there you can use your MVGs, your night vision goggles, and see at night so it doesn't blind you. Whoa! Whoa! This is a headset. Wow, you put it on your ears. And then has a microphone right here, but I have to plug it in first. Check this out. Get ready, listen. Whoa! Can you hear me? I sound funny. I'm talking through the microphone right now. Whoa! Flying in a helicopter! Okay, I'll show you more of that later. But for now, look at this. This, whoa, is a med deck. I can pull it out. It's nice and flat. Keeps the spine of the patient nice and flat. Okay, gotta put it back in here. Okay, there we go. Wow, it was so cool seeing the inside of the cab of the helicopter. Whoa, so many cool things. Whoa, what's this?
Blippi, this is our hook for our rescue hoist.
Oh, a hook on the rescue. Wait a second. Who are you?
I'm Pilot Sharif.
What do you do?
Well, today I'm the hoist operator on our air ambulance at the LAFD Air Operations.
Ooh, that's cool. Wait, what's in your hand?
This is called the pendant. It's what controls our hook. You can lower or raise it with this controller here.
Whoa, this is the controller of the hoist. Wow, can you show me all of this stuff in action?
I sure can. Would you like to try our hot seat? This is how we rescue people who really aren't hurt on the ground.
And a hot seat? I wonder what a hot seat is.
Well, our hot seat looks like a jacket. Go ahead and put your helmet on.
Okay.
And you already have safety glasses on, so that works.
Look, I'm wearing a white helmet.
This works just like a jacket. And it's a simple harness that allows us to bring you up into the helicopter safely without falling through.
Okay, so this is a harness that if I'm on the ground, you hoist down, or someone hoists down to come save me, right?
That's right, and they hope you put this on just like this.
Okay.
And they'll connect you to the hook once you get down on the ground.
Okay.
We'll lower the hook down to you, and then we'll connect it.
Whoa.
When you're ready, we'll bring you up.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here we go.
Whoa! Whoa! It's like I'm flying!
We'll bring you all the way up to the helicopter.
Okay.
We'll bring you in, and then Blippi will be safe.
Oh, cool!
Fly away.
Well, thank you so much for showing me this.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right.
It was nice to meet you, Blippi.
Nice to meet you too. Wow, this is so much fun! Hey, wait! Hey, wait a second! Come back! I'm stuck! Hey! Hello? Hey! Oh no! Whee! Inside the cockpit while the tug tugs the helicopter. Riding the helicopter. Okay, just to let you know, helicopters are at airports, and also airplanes are at airports. And if there's ever a problem at an airport, they have a big truck called a foam truck. Oh hey, look, there's a foam truck right over there. Do you see it? Yeah. Okay, so what foam trucks do are they spray foam and water out the front just in case if there's ever anything at the airport, like a fire. So what we're gonna do is show you it spraying water out of the turret. See? There's the first turret. Whoa! That's so powerful. Are you ready for the second turret? All right, here we go. Whoa! You see that? There's one turret. And there's two turrets! Whoa, look at all the water! What they're doing now is landing, so then they can fill up the helicopter with water. Watch! So now what they're gonna do is fly around and dump all the water. Looks like he's ready. Wow! Look at how high they are in the air. Ooh! Where's he going? Whoa! Look at him dangling from the helicopter. Wow! Hello! Hey! One of them is wearing the color blue, and the other is wearing the color orange. My two favorite colors. Ooh, remember that? That's the hot seat. Okay, here he goes. Whoa! That looks fun. Whoa, hello. Wow, he just got hoisted all the way up into the sky in the helicopter. Wow. Shut the door. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now it's time to learn the exterior parts of the helicopter. Wow, what a big machine. Oh, hey, up here, this is the cockpit. This is where the pilot and the co-pilot sit. So then they fly the helicopter. Wow! Whoa! And back here, this is the cab. Yeah, this is where all the passengers sit. And this helicopter is so big that 14 people can be inside here. 14? That is so many people. Whoa. Oh, look at this. This is a spotlight. Ready? Yeah, also known as the night sun. This is used to shine so then everyone can see everything at night. Whoa, so bright. Ooh, and back here, this is a water tank, and you fill it up right here. Grab the hose. Bring on the water. Then this fills up with water, and then from there you fly over things. And you pour water on things like fires, so then you can save people. Wow, what a cool machine. Let's see what else there is. Come on. Whoa, look down there. Wait a second, what's this doing here? Huh, you know how some helicopters have landing skids? This helicopter has wheels and tires. Wow, that is so interesting. Huh, cool. Ooh. Whoa, wait a second. You've seen this before, right? Yeah, this is a number. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. The number 3. Wow. Oh, let's open this up. Whoa. Check it out. That's a cargo compartment. It's pretty dark in there. Come on. Oh, hey. Los Angeles Fire Department. Oh, they're pretty cool. Whoa. Wow, this is a horizontal stabilizer fin. It keeps the helicopter stable. Whoa, look up there. That's the tail rotor. Whoa. It's so high up there. And this, it looks pretty big, but in reality, that's the smaller rotor. But this one, the main rotor, come here. It is so big. Do you see it up there? Whoa. This main rotor has 5 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Whoa, it's so high up there. Anyways, I was just trying to touch it. Whoa, look at this! The exhaust! Ooh. All the exhaust from the jet engine gets pushed out of there. Wait a second, I just said jet engine. Yeah, look! Whoa! That's the jet engine. There's 2 of them on this helicopter. One on this side and one on the other. This is where it produces all of its power. And one of the places that it uses its power is the transmission. Whoa! That is so cool looking up there. Oh hey, look at this. You see right here? This is where you refuel the helicopter. We won't mess with that. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Ooh, check out my sweet dance moves. Okay, anyways, look at this. This is the hoist. Whoa, it goes down, yeah, about 300 feet roughly. That is so much. So then it can save people by going. Thanks so much for learning about the exterior parts of the helicopter with me. Yeehaw! Now it's time for the firefighting helicopter song.
Fires from the sky. It can stop those flames from getting too high. It can save the trees, save your home. It can even save your life. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Lots of water when it flies. Lakes and rivers are its water supply. It hovers above the burning flames and drops water from the sky. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Transport machine is red and white for the firefighting team. Lion day and night. It's a transport machine. It's red and white for the firefighting team. Lion day and night. It's a firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. Firefighting helicopter, fighting fires from above the ground. A firefighting helicopter on a mission to put those fires out. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter. It's a firefighting helicopter.
Whoa! That was so awesome learning about this fire department helicopter with you. Well, sorry to say, but this is the end of this video. So, sure I'll see you around. Bye-bye!
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey! It's me, Blippi, and look at what's behind me. Whoa! A blue and yellow airplane! Yeah!
Did you see how I was acting like an airplane? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I sure do love airplanes. But hey, today I'm at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. And today you and I are gonna learn about airplanes. Yeah, let's go! Oh, hello. Welcome to Blippi Airlines. Where are you heading today? Wow, that sounds like a great destination. Is it for business or pleasure? Awesome. All right, let's see. You are all checked in. Do you have a bag? Okay, perfect. Ooh, thank you. Okay, let's put the bag on the scale. All right, looks like you're within the limitations, so let me put this on the conveyor belt. Okay, well, have a great flight. But wait a second, that sounds like so much fun. Do you mind if I come? Perfect, all right. There we go. Now I have a ticket too. Okay, let me come around. I am so excited for our trip together. Hey, we have to go through security, all right? Oh, did you hear that? Oh, that means I must have something I shouldn't have on me. Oh, I know what it is. It's just my cell phone. All right, I'll put that there. Come on. All right, here we go. Perfect, let's go. Wow, look at the airplane. Whoa, look at the fuselage, the cabin, and look at the tail up there. Whoa, this is gonna be such a fun flight. All right, let me put your bag down right here. There you go, bag. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, a fuel truck. Whoa, check it out. Fuel. All right, let's grab the hose and let's make sure that the airplane has a lot of fuel. Here we go, let's connect it. Oh, perfect, it's full. All right, here we go. Okay, now that the aircraft has a lot of fuel, now we can buckle up. Okay, first, let's put on our seatbelt. There we go. Okay, now we'll listen for instructions for the flight.
Thank you for choosing Blippi Airlines. Please mind the aisles and be sure to find the nearest emergency exit. Buckle your seatbelt and make sure it's nice and tight. And in case you need an air mask, it will come down from above.
All right, now that we got the safety briefing and passengers are seated, now I think I should fly the airplane. Whoa, check it out. Wow, so many cool gauges and instruments. Whoa, all right, here we go. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, check it out. See this airplane? It's so big! Yeah! I am way smaller than this airplane. And do you see what these are? Yeah! These are called wings. Most airplanes have 2 wings that go from the side, but not all of them. Some have more. Whoa, and look at this. See, the main body of the airplane is called the fuselage. Wow, this airplane is actually used to put people inside and transport them from one location to the other location, just like, say, a car or a boat or a bicycle, but way quicker. But hey, remember how I said this airplane is so big? Here, come follow me, and I have another airplane for you, and it is not very big. Remember how I said that plane is really big? Check this one out. Whoa! Yeah, this plane is small. Well, it's smaller compared to that plane, but I'm sure there's smaller airplanes than that one. But hey, what colors do you see on it? Yeah, red, white, and blue. Yeah, woohoo! Oh, and what shape is that? Oh, yeah, that looks like a star. Whoa, this plane looks like it goes so fast. Whoa! check it out. This engine actually goes to an aircraft. Yeah, but there's no outside casing around it. Whoa, it is so big. Look how big it is compared to me. And do you see everything in there? There's so many hoses and tubes and... Oh, geez. So the air goes in right here, gets compressed, fire, and then boom! Whoa! These tires are so big! And there's actually 2 tires right there. Yeah, we're at the front of the aircraft. So let's head to the back of the aircraft and see how many tires are back here. Whoa! Do you see them? Wow! There's so many more tires back here. Wow, this plane must be really heavy. Yeah, that's probably why they have so many tires. Whoa! And look how big this wing is! If it was raining, I definitely would not get wet. Whoa! Check out this airplane. It looks like it goes really fast. Hey, what color of airplane is it? Yeah, you're right. It's blue with a little bit of yellow. Good job. Whoa, look at how big that airplane is. Whoa, do you see the colors of it? Yeah, it's white, red, and gray. Let's go find some more colors. Whoa, look at this airplane. Do you see something different with it? Yeah, there's 2 wings over here. And there's 2 on the other side. Yeah, so it has 2 sets of wings. That's really cool. But hey, we're here to learn the color of it. What color is this airplane? Yeah, you're right. You said green. Good job.
All the people, they look like ants when we're up with the birds. On the airplane, the wings keep us gliding. We're on top of the world. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly, fly, fly. We're going way up high on the airplane in the sky. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. Get your passport, get your luggage. We're going on an adventure. Wear your seatbelt, feel the plane taking off and take in the view. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly, fly, fly. We're going way up high on the airplane in the sky. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. We're going to fly.
So much fun learning about airplanes with you today at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. Do you like airplanes? Yeah, I do too. They're so cool how high they fly in the sky and how they're small airplanes and big airplanes. Wow. Well, this this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey! Look at what I just rode up in. Yeah, it's a police car. And today, we are going to learn about police cars. Look at what it is! It's a police car! Will you come check out the parts of the police car with me? Yeah, come on! Ooh, look at this light bar up here. There's the red lights and the blue lights over there. And speaking of lights, whoa! Look at the spotlight. Whoa! 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 It's so bright! Whoa! Ooh! And the front of the police car has this push bar. This is used to help push vehicles off to the side of the road that are broken down. And then down here, this is a speaker. Listen!
You there, clear the road.
Yeah! That was awesome! Ooh! And one of my favorite parts, the engine. This is where the car gets all of its power from. Woo! And the oil. Will you check it with me? Allergy season. Okay. Ooh, look. Yeah, the oil looks good to me. So let's put the dipstick back and let's shut the hood and let's head to the back. Ooh, and look down here. The wheels and the tires. Oh, and look right here. 2 words. The first word is Olympia. O-L-Y-M-P-I-A. And the second word is police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Olympia Police. And last but not least, the trunk. There's some cool stuff back here. Whoa! Road flares. Ooh, a speed gun. And some cones. Even some caution tape. I'll show you this stuff later. But for now, it's time to dance. Hey! Will you look inside the police vehicle with me? Yeah, come on. Whoa. Wow. Now we're inside the vehicle. Look at this. Look at the switch. Do you see it? I'm gonna push it all the way to the right. And those are the lights. Look! Whoa! Those are so bright! Okay, I'll turn them off now. Okay, I turn those off. And look at this. See? I just turned that on. That's the spotlight. Do you see it? Whoa! Okay, let's turn that off. And what else is in here? Whoa! The steering wheel! Whoa! And, ooh, the intercom. Hello, hello! I see you, it's Blippi! That's funny. And, oh, speaking of noise and sound, look at this. This right here, this button. Listen. Yeah, that's the siren. Ooh, and the computer. Yeah. Woohoo! That is so cool. It's the Blippi police car song. Okay. And I have some more fun stuff to show you over here. Come on. Shut the door. Okay, come here. Look in here. This is the patrol bag. There's so many cool gadgets and goodies in here. Whoa, like binoculars. Whoa, I can see so far. Whoa, hey. Okay, put those down there. Ooh, stuffed rhino. Wow. Ooh, a camera. Ooh, flashlight. Hello? Hello? So you can see in the dark. Whoa. First aid kit. Ooh. And handcuffs. So cool. I like handcuffs. Okay, let's try it on. Put it on. Oh, now that you have handcuffs on, you can't get them off. But luckily, whoa, I have a set of handcuff keys. Put that right there. Do a little twisty, and then I got them off. It's like magic. Okay, let's put these back. Ooh, and last but not least, every police officer has to have a pair of sunglasses. Okay. Whoa. Now I'm a police officer. Okay, check out this. This is where you put the suspects. Whoa! The door doesn't even have a handle on it. And the seats are plastic and really uncomfortable. Whoa. Whoa. I don't like being back here. And no handles are like child safety locks, but for adults.
Hey, this is a speed measuring device. It uses a laser to bounce off a car and come back, and it'll tell me how fast someone's going. We're out here on a street corner looking for speeders. There's one now. Whoa, he's going way too fast. Let's go get him.
Well, hello there, officer.
Sir, I need to talk to you about your speeding.
Ooh, I'm sorry. What can I say? Heavy foot.
Well, I'll give you a warning for today, but we're just
Okay.
out here trying to keep everybody safe.
All right, thank you.
Speaking of that,
Ooh.
we're looking for this person. Have you happened to seen him?
Oh, nope. That gentleman looks like he's wearing glasses. I sure don't.
Oh, you're right. Well, let me give you this. Call us if you see him.
Okay.
Drive safe.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Whoa, that was a close one. Hello. Hey, let's look at what's inside the back of the police car a little bit better. Ooh, look, we have a police officer's hat. And yeah, a safety vest. Oh, and it's bright yellow. Look at it. Wow. Okay. Nice bright yellow safety vest. How do I look? Okay. Oh, and I got my hat on. And oh, look. 4 orange road cones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ooh, and look, a road flare. Wow. Put that in my pocket. And road spikes. Okay. Set those down. Let's close the trunk. Okay. First things first. Ooh, road spikes. Take a close look at these. Wow! Look at that. Whoa, those are sharp. Okay, let's put this right there. Put this over here. Okay, ready? Watch this. Okay, we're gonna set up this traffic course for the police car. And the police car is gonna make sure it doesn't drive on these because these are really sharp. Okay, let's take the 4 road cones and put one right here. Come on. And let's put the second one right there. 1, 2. And let's put the third one right here. 1, 2, 3. And we got one more. Come on. Okay, how about right here? Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost forgot my favorite part, the road flare. Whoa. Okay, this is not a toy. Not for kids, so here we go. Whoa. Okay, let's put it down right here. And let's start this course. Barely missed the spikes! Good job! That was so much fun learning about police vehicles. Now it's time for the police car song.
Police cars, police cars, police cars. They drive really fast through the town. And oh my goodness, they're
let them by. Police cars, police cars, police cars. Yeah, they come in all shapes and sizes. There's a radio and a computer inside them. Some have a dog to help them sniff out crime. Sometimes you need the help of a canine. Police cars, police cars, police cars.
If you're ever in trouble,
Or if somebody's hurt,
or if there's an emergency,
you dial 911.
and the police will come.
Driving in there, yeah. Police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars, police cars.
That was really fun singing, dancing to the police car song with you. Hey, I have something really important to tell you. You are very special. You are an amazing child. I am so excited to see what great things you do on our planet by making it a better place and helping people out. Last but not least, thanks for being my friend. Thank you. Well, I gotta go now. But if you want to hang out with me some more, you know how to find me. Yeah, just search for my name. You know my name, right? Yeah, it's Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, that's my name. Good job. See you soon. Bye.
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Woo! Look at what it is. This is a steam train. And today we are in Chehalis, Washington, and we are going to learn about trains. Whoa! Look! Now I'll show you all the parts of the exterior of the train. Like these down here. Whoa! Look at the giant wheels. Whoa, there's so many of them. Wow. There's another one. Whoa! Oh, look at this one right here. Woo! And look up here. Wow. That big thing up there? Yeah, that's the firebox. That's what heats up all the water and it creates steam, which is pressure. And then up there, that's the stack, and then the bell, and then the whistle. Ooh, and back here, right there, that's the cab. That's where the operators of the train sit. Ooh, and come back here. This is the tender. Ooh, and look over here. Those are the cars of the train. now we're inside the cab of the train. And I'm with the engineer, and his name is Rick. Hey, Rick.
Hi.
Okay. And I'm over here with the fireman, and his name is Robert. Hey.
Hello.
And they are gonna explain some of the interior parts of the train. Hey, so what's this thing?
This is called the Johnson bar. Makes the engine go forward, or if I go over here, makes it go backward.
Oh, can
You
I
wanna
try?
that? You go ahead.
All right.
I dare you.
Okay. Whoa, that's hard. Whoa. Okay. Okay, now I'll go back. Whoa. Going back's even harder. Ah. Whoa. Cool.
All right, so we decide which direction we're going. We control our speed with the throttle, like a gas pedal in a car.
Ooh.
So I pull that out, we'll go faster.
Whoa.
All right,
And push it forward, and then you go slower.
and I can shut it clear off.
Okay.
The other thing I do is I've got a whistle up here to warn people that we're coming at a crossing. Try that.
Whoa. Yeah, sure. Oh, here we go. Wow, that's cool.
And then the other thing I have to do is once in a while to stop the train. This stops the train here, like that. And this one is for the engine only, independent of the train.
And what's this down here?
That's a big fire in there. We're heating water to make steam. That gives us the energy to go.
Oh, wait, so fire, and that's the fireman over here. So, what's this thing?
This handle, I can make the fire get bigger or smaller.
Ooh.
Go like this.
Whoa.
See? Got a little more orange?
Yep.
That's a little less orange.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. And so you sit here and do all the fire stuff, and
yeah.
Is there anything else that you do?
Yeah, I gotta ring the bell to make sure people get out of the way if we're moving. See, I pull this rope. It rings.
Cool. Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa, that's cool. Well, thank you, gentlemen.
All aboard! Now it's time for all the passengers to load on up so we can go for a ride.
Okay, now it's my turn to ride the train. So come on, you can join with me. Whoa. Ooh, look over here. Wow, this is the inside car where it's all enclosed. That looks cool, but hey, let's go over there so then we can ride the train in the outside. Come on. Oh, hello.
Thanks.
Whoa, see, now we're outside. This is gonna be so much fun.
The wheels were a-turnin' and the smoke was a-puffin'. Off we go.
Wow, it's so green over here in the field. Look. Woo, here come some trees. Do you see that? Wow, look at that beautiful pond right there. Oh, so much green. I don't know what type of plants those are, but they kind of look like lily pads. Oh. Wow. Okay, we were outside, but now we're inside in an enclosed car. What a beautiful ride.
Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast, yeah.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
I could spend all day watching you go choo-choo. Oh, all across the country there are many train tracks and so many trains that roll on through. I can only imagine how much fun I'd be having if I was riding on the caboose.
That's the back of the train.
I try to count all the train cars, but there are so many flying by.
1, 2, 3, 4, and there's even more!
Choo-choo,
here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
it's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast, yeah. Choo-choo,
here comes a train.
I could spend all day watching you go choo-choo. Some trains are made to transport people.
I've been on one, how about you?
Some move cargo miles and miles.
Some move oil or fruit.
Every time a train goes by, I wonder what could be inside.
Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
I could spend all day watching you go choo-choo. Trains are powered by a locomotive. Now let's do the locomotion. You pull the whole train all by yourself, and you only gotta say one thing. Chugga 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 chugga.
Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast, yeah.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
I could spend all day watching you go choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo.
Here comes the train. Choo-choo, here comes a train. That was so much fun watching, singing, and dancing to the train song with you. Hey, if you like my show and you want to watch some more of my videos, all you gotta do is type in my name into the internet. You know my name. Yeah, it's Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Good job. Now you know how to say and spell my name. Blippi! Until next time, kids. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!